Shut up and sit down.
AC on solar system and planets. Solar system and planets AC for students and children in English. The universe consists of more than 500 solar systems as of now or as of our limited knowledge of the universe. Our solar system is present inside the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is called so because the Romans named it as they found the Earth's skyline at night to resemble that of a band and a patch of milk. The solar system is the most important part of our Milky Way galaxy. According to experts and astronomers, the solar system is the only planetary body in the universe that supports life, and Earth, a part of the solar system, is the only planet that supports life in the universe. But this can easily be false since man has not discovered all the aspects of our universe. Solar systems consist of 8 planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was also a planet, but it was de-recognized a few years ago because of its size. The main criteria for being a planet are it should orbit around the Sun. It should have sufficient mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium, and it should have a clearly defined neighborhood around its orbit. Pluto failed in the second criterion, but Pluto is known as a dwarf planet. All these decisions of naming, recognizing, and de-recognizing planetary objects are taken by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. IAU is an international body that consists of astronomers and scientists all across the world with the main objective and goal of promoting and safeguarding the astronomical sciences in every sphere through collective international cooperation. Each planet present in the solar system revolves around the Sun inside its orbits at its speed. This is an essential criterion to be declared as a planet in the solar system. Each of the planets that we mention has its characteristics, which is given below. Characteristics of the planet in the solar system. Mercury. Mercury, also known as the Swift planet, are the smallest, hottest, and the closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. The temperature on Mercury can go as high as 450 degrees Celsius on normal days, but the nights are cold. Mercury completes one revolution in 88 Earth days with a diameter of 4,878 kilometers and a distance of 35 million miles from the Sun. Mercury is the fastest planet in the solar system. Venus. Venus, also called a morning star, is the second closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. With a distance of 67 million miles from the Sun, Venus completes one complete revolution around the Sun in 255 Earth days. It is also known as the hottest planet in the solar system. On bright days, Venus is visible through the naked eye because it is also one of the brightest planets. Earth. The third planet in the solar system is the only known planet in the whole universe that can sustain life. Nicknamed as the blue planet, Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 Earth days and is at a distance of 93 million miles from the Sun. With a diameter of 12,760 kilometers, the Earth is covered with 2/3 of water on its surface. The presence of water and oxygen is what makes the Earth sustain life. Mars. Also known as the red planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is called the red planet because of the presence of iron oxide on the Martian surface, which gives it the red tinge. With a distance of 142 million miles from the Sun, Mars completes one full revolution around the Sun in 687 Earth days. It is considered to be a cold planet and has certain physical and geographical features that are similar to the Earth. It is most likely to be the next home for human beings after the Earth. Jupiter, nicknamed as the giant planet of the solar system, is fourth in line from the Sun and is the biggest known planet so far. With a huge diameter of 1,39,822 kilometers and a distance of 484 million miles from the Sun, Jupiter takes almost 4,333 Earth days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Jupiter is known to have 79 natural satellites revolving around it. It also has great red spots and cloud bands surrounding the planet. Saturn, known as the ringed planet because of the numerous rings around it, which are made up of ice particles. Saturn is at a distance of 887 million miles from the Sun and takes 10,759 Earth days to complete one complete revolution around the Sun. It has 62 natural satellites composed of ice. Uranus. Uranus is the second largest planet with a diameter of 51,120 kilometers and takes 30,687 Earth days to complete one revolution. It is also the coldest planet in the solar system. Neptune. The last planet in the line is Neptune, also called the Big Blue Planet. It is 2.8 billion miles away from the Sun and takes 60,190 Earth days to complete one revolution.